All right, folks, today we're checking out 2421 Royal Street. This is an absolutely gorgeous shotgun. It's been very well renovated, so it maintains those historic features. And we're in the heart of the Marigny here, in some of the most valuable land in New Orleans. Check out this open concept. We've got 5 exposed brick fireplaces, these gorgeous wood floors, all original windows, and a ton of natural light. This is really an exquisite opportunity. We're just a block away from the Orange Couch coffee shop. The Royal Street address is very valuable as well. Royal Street was one of the very first streets in the city. That is to say, 1805, folks. This is a 100-year-old home built in 1918. Our sellers are absolutely in love with this home. They meant to make it their permanent residence, but things change. They told me they looked for over a year until they found this place and just fell in love with it. And I can understand why. I think what makes this home so special is that they kept all of those original features, the hardwood floors, the 12-foot ceilings, and they didn't sanitize it. That's an issue we have with a lot of new renovations, is though they're beautiful and they have the gray cabinets and the white marble, they've kind of been sanitized and you can't see what made the home so historic and so beautiful. It's nice we got a little shed back here for some extra storage. Really a gardener's delight back there. Quite a large backyard. And it's a blank canvas for you. I'll walk you through the home one last time. Just a small thing, but the transoms above the windows, every bit of historic charm is maintained with this home. We're offering this at $449,000. It's 1,340 square feet. And again, it's 2421 Royal Street in the Marigny. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. I hope you're having a wonderful day and had a great Thanksgiving with your family. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office. If you should have any questions about the property, please reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004.